Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your device runs iOS 17 or Mac OS Sonoma and you're signed into Apple Music with an active subscription. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and open the Apple Music app. Navigate to Now Playing so the controls are visible. You need that screen to reveal the DJ features. This gets you straight into the interface, where DJ mode will appear without extra setup or waiting for background processes. You now enable the DJ controls from the Now Playing view. Tap the three-dot menu or the plug icon to expose advanced playback options. Choose the option labeled Use DJ or similar to let Apple Music create automatic mixes and smooth transitions. Once enabled, you can control play next and tweak transition behavior. Make sure to check audio settings for crossfade length and beat matching options so the mixes sound continuous. Adjusting these yields tighter transitions and a more intentional DJ experience. You finish by testing DJ mode with a playlist so you can hear transitions and refine crossfade length to about 3 to 6 seconds for natural flow. If mixes don't generate, restart the Music app or toggle Use DJ off and on to reset the feature. If the option is missing, make sure your region supports DJ, your subscription is active, and your OS is updated. These are common blockers. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves most issues quickly so you can get back to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.